MPS started in 1881 as a traditional Goodyear welted factory, so it was a stitched Goodyear welted using a leather Goodyear welt and a leather sole. We made for the likes of the Army during both wars, the RAF, and we made under the brand name NPS, which is Northamptonshire Productive Society. In the late 50s, early 60s, we started making a different kind of Goodyear welted product, which was, instead of stitching the sole to the welt, we used a very hot knife which we ran between the welt and the sole, which fused the sole to the welt. So still Goodyear welted, still able to be repaired. If you get a flat tire, you don't throw away the bike. If you wear through the sole on a Goodyear welted pair of shoes, you don't throw away the pair of shoes. You simply take the sole off, and you can rebuild the shoe to be up almost as good as new. We now make under the brand name of Solovair, or Sole of Air, and we make everything in our little factory here in England still.